Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Humidifi token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Humidifi is a Solana largest decentralized exchange by volume, processing over $1 billion daily according to website and capturing approximately 35% of spot trading activity on the network. Unlike traditional automated market maker AMMs, Humidifi operates as a prop AMM, combining on-chain execution with institutional-grade market-making logic to deliver tighter spreads, deeper liquidity, and better execution than both DEX and CEX competitors. The vision make to Solana home of the world's most efficient, expensive, and transparent markets. Humidifi token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion Humidifi token. Humidifi token will list on Binance Alpha Exchange. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.